Welcome to Dharya Veda. The today's topic is Katurasa, nothing but the spicy taste, which is the most favorite of so many people. So let us we study what is the Lakshana, what is the Karma, what is the Karma Pavada or Ati Yoga, what is the disease caused by this, what is the action done by this, and how we will identify the Katurasa or spicy taste as per our classics. So let's move on to the Lakshana. संवेजयत् योरसनं निपाते तुदतीव च विदहन् मुख नासा अक्षि संस्रावि स कटुस्मृताः. So what is katurasa? Samvejayad rasanam nipate tudativa cha. When we administer or when we intake that katurasa, it causes the tudativa, the pricking sensation or spicy thing that we will, after the effect of consuming a spicy item will be there, no, that is the exact feeling of nipate tudativacha. That pricking or burning or some kind of irritation feeling is nothing but the first lakshana of a katurasa. Vidahan mukha nasa akshi samsravi. It causes the vidaha or a burning sensation of mukha, the oral cavity, nose. So secretion of a nasal mucus will be there when we consume a excessive or when we consume, usually when we eat a spicy items. And akshi, it also causes the lacrimation of a eye. Samsravi, it causes a burning as well as a watery discharge from the oral cavity, nasal cavity and the eyes. Sa katusmutaha, which rasa does like this, which rasa act over the body like this is nothing but the katurasa. And what is the karma? What is the action of a katurasa over our body? What is the significance of consuming a spicy item? Katuko raso vaktram shodhayati, agnim deepayati, bhuktam shoshayati, granam sravayati, चक्षुर विरेचयति स्फुटीकरोति इंद्रियाणि अलसक श्वयत उपचय दर्दाभिषंद स्नेह स्वेद क्लेद मलानुहंति रोचयत्यशनं कंडूर विनाशयति वृणान अवसाधयति क्रीमिन हीनास्ति मांसं विलीखति शोणित संघातं भिनत्ति बंधांश्चिनति मार्गान् विवृणोति श्लेष्मणां शमयति लघुरुष्णो रुक्षश्च. So it does the karmas like vaktram shodayati. It does the clearance of oral cavity or a GI tract. Agnim deepayati. It acts as a appetizer because of having a ushna guna. It acts as a agni deepanavan. It acts as a appetizer. Increases the jataragni. Bhaktam shoshayati. Granam sravayati. It causes the fluid discharge or a watery discharge from the nose. Chakshur virechayat, it causes the virechana, nothing but the lacrimation. It produces the tears in the eyes. Sputi karoti indriyani, by which it causes the sharpness of indriyas. It quickly we will observe everything. When we take a spicy item, it increases the sharpness of indriyas. Alasaka shvayatu upachaya dardhabish adarda udarda abhishandi sneha sweda kleda malanuhanti. If any impairment in the body like alasaka, indigestion is there, shvayatu is there, udarda is there, abhishandi, that is when we consume a heavy meals, it causes the heaviness of a body. Abhishandi guna is like sroto viroditva or sroto virodha will occur, sroto rodha will occur. So it clears off all everything. Sneha sweda kleda malanuhanti. If there is excessive of a swedas, excessive of a sneha or kledatva in the body, accumulation of a mala in the body, it does the expulsion of all those things and make the person healthy. Rochayatyashanam, it increases the taste of food or it creates the interest towards the food. Kandur vinashayati, it kills off the itching sensation. Vrunan avasadayati, it helps to cure the vruna or wounds. Krimin hinasti, it acts as a crimigna one. It kills the helminthes or it kills the microorganisms which infest our body. Mamsam vilikhati, it causes the lekhana of mamsadhatu. Shonita sanghatam binati. If any clots is there in the body, if anything impairment in the arterial block is there, it doesn't allow to block the artery or coagulation of a blood Also it clears off the clots if they are present in a body. Bandhans chinati, if any kind of obstruction in the body is there, it clears off it. Marghan vivrunoti, it clears off the channel. Shleshmanam shamayati, it does the shamana of a kapha, increased kapha, or maybe due to the any kind of a reason, or increased kapha, aggravated kapha, vitiated kapha, because of having lagu, ushna and ruksha guna, which are exactly opposite to the kapha. So it acts as a kapha shamanartha, and having the guna like lagu, lightness, ushna, that is hot, ruksha, that is dry one. Ati yoga, what it causes, what it hampers if we use in a excessive quantity. स एवं गुण अप्येक एवार्थ्यर्थम उपयुज्यमानो विपाक प्रभावात् पुंसत्वम् उपहन्ति रस वीर्य प्रभावान् मोहयति ग्लापयति साधयति कर्षयति मूर्छयति नमयति तमयति भ्रमयति कंठं परिदहति शरीरतापम् उपजनयति balam kshinoti trushnam janayati apicha. So what is the ati yoga? What are the complications we will face if we consume excessive katurasa? Vipaka prabhavat pumsatvam upahanti, as it is katurasa undergoing the katuvipaka. Katuvipaka is a virya pradhana, like it's not a one which promotes the healthiness of a reproductive health. So vipaka prabhavat, by the special karma of vipaka pumsatvam upahanti, it brings up the impotency. Rasa virya prabhavat, having the ushna virya, having the ushna guna, tikshna guna, ruksha guna, lagu guna, by these special karma mohayati, it person will frequently faints or falls to unconsciousness, or he will be confused manner. Glapayati, sadayati, and it causes the emaciation of a body. Karshayati is nothing but also the emaciation. Murchayati frequently helps to fall in a unconscious. Namayati, tamayati is nothing but also brahmayati. It causes the kind of a confusion. Nothing but the mental afflictions will occur if we consume the excessive katurasa, as it having ushna guna. It further aggravates the pitta. So by causing pitta dushti, it causes the excessive krodha. By krodha, we will get all the mental afflictions or mental disorder, mental discomfort in the body. So indirectly, it helps for psychological conditions. Kantam paridahati, because of having it is a spicy, it should and it must cause the burning sensation of a kanta. Just we feel that when we eat a Shariratapam upajanayati, it produces the higher temperature in the body. It leads to the hypothermia in the body. Balam kshinoti, as it does a karshana of a body, and it does the moha to the body, mucha to the body. By that, the bala of a person bala of a body will going to decrease. Trushnam janayati, as it is ushna gunatmaka, as ruksha gunatmaka and lagu gunatmaka. So there will be a decrease in the Ap Mahabhuta in the body, because it is predominant of Agni Mahabhuta. So antagonist to it is Ap Mahabhuta. So decrease in the Ap Mahabhuta directly leads to the Trishna. So excessive Trishna will occur. Apicha. These are the complications we will face if we consume Katurasa in excessive manner. What is Karma Pavada? What are the rule exceptions? Tiktam cha Katukam, Vatakrit Avrusha. Tiktarasa and Katurasa, Vatakrit, they are Vatakara, and Avrusha, they are not a Vrushavan, they hampers the reproductive health. But whereas Shunti, Pippali and Rasona, even though having the Katurasa, they acts as a Vatahara and Vrusha. These are the Karmapavada of Katurasa as well as a Tiktarasa.